for me. I mean, I just got kids. Y'all got a size too because I wear kids size. But don't do me.
I gotta get my shoes.
Yeah, that's you put on the bowling shoe. Don't nobody want these bowling shoes. But not me, the shoe, the Velcro. Yeah.
You gonna put this together like nice vest, you know. My man Nafaroni Tony.
That's dirty. I should got that last thing.
Right, man.
Yeah, right.
Hold on, that's for YouTube? Yeah.
Hey, why the fuck wrong with him? Hey, y'all
You know.
Hey, cuz you worse
I
than
just
me.
keep hitting them.
You worse than me. You worse than me.
Nigga don't know how to camera, he's fucking up the vlog.
Hey, cuz. I'm out.
I like years, all I know is I do it when I'm smoking. I do it, it's a fun game.
Say hi. Say hi.
Ah, don't spill the tequila on me.
Ooh! Don't take yours. I need juice. And that's what somebody else said. Mine. I don't want that. I'm sorry. Yo, you see how everybody just took their shots? I ain't with it. And that was rubbing alcohol. And I gotta go to work tomorrow. I wish I would.
Whoa, man, it's right, man.
I don't know how to get no stripes.
Going straight down the middle.
We won, so.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What did you drink?
No, we really won.
You can't see because it's dark. So yo, we only was able to bowl until like, you know how bowling say 1 through 10. We was only able to bowl from 1 through 6. So bro, they started L time at 9:15. We didn't get there till like 9:30, so 15 minutes was already gone. They kept trying to get extra time, but black people can never show up to locations. Even with a reservation, like, please. I get up until 8:30 tomorrow, so we better go down Fells Point. Hope y'all find my man tonight. It might just be one of those nights.
So,
You never know. What do you mean? It's walking distance. Oh.
But I was just like way down the street.
Yeah, I ride a scooter. Oh, well, let's get the patting our feet and turning these credits. I would be self-conscious about it, but I'm too confident to be self-conscious about it.
Gang, gang.
It'll get fixed soon.
You want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Hey. We got all the family out here, you hear me? Got my man Donnie next, so we got Lil Worm, Lil Bro Tay Tay,
You know we outside.
Cousin Sierra. We even got our uncle with us, man.
We got
Uncle
the
Fat.
orange of the cap here
Uncle
with
Fat.
us.
We got Lord Charles, my big brother Key up there. We got my cousin Lord John, my cousin Wani, my cousin Shantae. Of course, y'all know who Key is. This is our YouTube. But big bro Day Day taking over. Man, we just got finished bowling. We ready to go down fellas. Look at little bro, he big as shit. My brother got a big ass belly. That's the big brother.
So right now we walking down Fells Point, which is like a place that everybody go just to walk around or go into like a strip of clubs. We left our cars parked at the bowling alley and we walked a couple blocks over the Fells. Yeah. Yeah, you see the outfit. Wine bottle on my hand, but don't worry about it.
You know,
Right on the recording.
All right, guys. So it
Let's see if they
is
got a bottle when they get them done.
12:31 a.m. I'm really tired. I'm really ready to go. But the list from this location like $40. Who got to pay $40 for a lift? Get somebody else to do it. They definitely. I'm ready to go. I'm sure my family not ready to go, but I'm ready to go. I'm like an old lady at heart. I'm trying to go home. I ain't even sleepy. I'm tired, but I ain't actually sleepy. I just want to go home, get in the shower, and get in bed. So I'm done recording for the night. So before I end this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
You like yourself, when you decide you need someone, when you don't have to